2007 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4th passenger door, front disc rear drum brakes, steel wheels, FWD, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, variable speed, intermittent wipers, keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.